Hello, fellow nerds. Welcome to this episode of
Big Nerd, Little Nerd.
Big Nerd, Little Nerd. On today's episode, what are we doing, little nerd?
We're going to be building the Forma Lego fish.
Forma Lego fish. We just got this. It was a special Kickstarter that we did. And what did we get here?
We have our skins.
So we've got the ink koi skin. Very cool.
Splash koi skin.
And
the shark skin.
Shark skin. The kit comes with a skin already. It's just a koi skin. Not sure what the actual, if there's anything special named to it or not, but we'll see what it looks like. Shall we open the skins first?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll do the skins first.
Which one are we going to do?
Which one? That's a good question. I like the shark skin.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, so.
How do you do the skins?
I don't know. We're going to find out.
Should we?
Well, hold on. Let's open that.
I would get them right.
We could just open it. It's fine. Alright. What do we got in here?
Oh, it's I think it's like stickers.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's stickers.
Not actually stickers. They're, printed plastic pieces.
Oh, I see. They mount on.
Yep, mount onto it. Got 3.
Shark mouth.
Oh, no, 2.
Shark mouth there.
Yep. We've got a set of instructions on how to do it.
Shark mouth there.
Yep, and there's a shark mouth in it. And then I guess those hold the skins on.
I like nails.
Kind of like.
Yeah,
they go through the holes, don't they? Looks
like
these
ones.
Yep. So yeah, like plastic nails, kind of. Pretty cool. So that's that one. So that's really cool. Then we've got, which one's that one?
The splash koi.
Splash koi.
Splash, yeah.
Again, the instructions. And look how pretty that is.
Cool.
That's really cool.
Oh, I think I have 2.
Is it just one?
There's more. Maybe.
No, it's just
2. Yes.
just printed on both sides for the tail.
Oh.
Yep. More of the plastic, bits. All right, so we got those 2. Right there. And the last one.
It's the ink koi skin.
Koi skin. In the
this is kind of the old-fashioned color, but it's a really pretty pattern.
That is a pretty cool pattern. Yep, double-sided there.
Looks like a mouth. Looks like a face.
It does.
There's the mouth. There are the eyes.
Yep. Alright, so we've got the 3 skins here. And
we have the fishy kit.
There'll be a skin in here, the one that comes with it.
I don't want to get a knife and open it.
I was hoping not to.
Or you could just peel this.
Yeah, peel it. Alright.
I thought that would rip the top layers of cardboard like the skins.
No, this one's a bit more, this box is a bit nicer. Alright, so what do we have in here?
Yeah, we've got another skin, the one that looks like it comes on the front packet.
Yep, so just the koi skin. This is under
There's
there.
lots and
And
big packets.
yep, so the big instructions. A quick thank you.
To put this.
Quick thank you from Lego.
Lego.
Yay, we love Lego, don't we? So we've got the instructions here, and then we have 3 bags of parts. All right, you want to put it together?
Yes.
All right, let's go. So that was fun build, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Quick note. Earlier I said it was a Kickstarter. It's actually
It's an
Indiegogo project. Sorry about that. But yeah, great fun.
Yeah.
We enjoyed it. It took us about an hour in total to put it all together. So yeah, I think it's a great project for
like people who love Lego and like building stuff that move.
Mm-hmm.
This is a perfect thing.
It is. So you can display this out in your living room or on
Anywhere
a shelf.
you want.
Yeah. Unlike a super Star Destroyer, where us big nerds, our wives won't let us put it on the coffee table. So it was real easy to build, wasn't it? The hardest part, I think, it was just attaching the actual body to the base when we did it, and you just have to kind of line it up. The instructions show you how to do it. The other great thing is they really made sure this piece works well, because the crank only goes one way, doesn't it?
Yeah, look.
So yeah,
Unless you force it like this, so you're pushing it that way. It's not turning at all.
Yep, it's not turning.
Push
So
it that way, it works.
yeah, it's perfect.
If you wind it that way, it works both ways.
I think there's a couple of mistakes I made. I put this piece on too high, so it looked a little funny in the video. And I used one of these yellow barrels for the handle instead of the gray one.
Wasn't it white?
White, sorry. Yellow. Did I say yellow?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it was white. I used one of the white ones on the handle instead of the gray one. I think that was about it. There was one other thing. If you find it, you can comment on it if you can find it. But yeah, great project. A couple things I think they could have done better maybe would be label the bag so you had all the pieces for the base in one and all the pieces for the body in another. That would have made it slightly easier.
Mine is just like the gaps you see here of where the skin is covering all the mechanical and stuff. Not really mechanical.
Yeah.
I feel like they should make a bigger skin to like cover more of it.
Okay, that might
so
be
it looks
thing.
like a proper fish.
The other thing I would say was in the instructions they used a lot of actual size for some of the pieces. I think if they'd done that for all the pieces, it'd be a little bit better.
Yeah.
And that's the most critical things I could say.
And
Otherwise,
also,
it's
some
great.
of the black bits looked a bit grey. Was that the other way around?
Yeah, it was kind of hard to tell a couple of the colors, but I think if they'd done actual size, it would be easier to tell what color they were. So, but yeah,
Well,
great
some of
kit.
the same size but different colour, but I don't think that really matters.
Well, anyways, it was easy to put together. We loved it. So Lego, great job. If you want us to beta test anymore,
We'll do it.
big nerd, little nerd will be happy to do it, won't we? Super Star Destroyers or Millennium Falcons, anything like that.
Our website is bignerdlittlenerd.com.
Yep. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe.
And comment down below if you want us to build
Or take apart.
or fix
Or fix. Or anything like that.
anything.
We love it. So we will talk to you soon. Bye.